Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing FISCH. Now as you can see, I've already started to level up a lot. And I'm in Rosslet Bay. Rosslet Bay. Oh, the Aparima abundance is literally just right there. Yeah, it's right there. Anyways, we're going to try fishing in here because I'm a newbie. Ignore how I got all that fish. Anyways, I'm a newbie. The Aparima abundance is here, so let's see if it's good. Let's go. Oh, that's my Wi-Fi there. That is my Wi-Fi right there. Alright, finally. Where's the shake? Bruh. I know the lock on this thing sucks, but it's still good for its control. Okay, what is this lag? I'm back. This girl is so laggy. So as you can see, I got a lot of rods. I got like few rods and I wasted all my money. Just kidding, that wasn't a waste of money except how many times I've used them. Only caught 5 fish in the carbon rod. Anyways, a Rosslet pond. Let's go. Let's start fishing over here. What is that rope doing? I bet. Let's go fast and see where we will end up. Nuh-uh, not today. Not today. Where are you going? Oh, pumpkin seed. Shake, 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 shake. Shake-itty, shake, shake. You got one. Move. Move. Yes. Chubby. Little bro chubby. Is little bro chubby? Like, I'm not joking. Is he chubby? Oh, I got one. Dude, this game is relaxing. Totally. Ooh, silver pumpkin seed. Alright, let's sell these fish. Let's sell these fish and let's see. Oh yeah, this one hold up. So I totally did not favorite the silverfish, and I'm not coming back because I favorited that fish. I'm gonna move to a different spot because it's so clear. Okay, let's fish. What these two are doing. Lazy worker is crazy. So what are you guys doing? Ha! I have a catch streak of 18. I have to get to 100. Fish. A perch. The perch just fell through the floor. Oh, a strange whirlpool. Chat, there's a strange whirlpool. There's a strange whirlpool. Gotta find where the strange whirlpool is. There's that one boat. Oh, I accidentally pressed never mind. Let's go. The whirlpool. This is gonna take a while, so I'm gonna just skip. So guys, I couldn't find it, sorry. Let's find it in the next video. Bye!